nare kene mu Eze nare kene mu obi mu juru nekene
Chineke nare kene mu Eze nare kene mu obi juru nekene Chineke nare kene mu Agune chemba nare kene mu
obi mu juru nekene Obi mo juru nekene o Obi mo juru nekene Chineke kusunine kendiaga Obi mo juru nekene viewers all over the world egwe no kita egwu se na ngalaba na afu gbasara mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo n'Ugochi tụrụ ọdịnala temple a na-akpọ group led by me. We have all the rights. Upon the like Kenya Begu, Yana iTunes, audio mark and rest of them, Jonya Begu, download. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Omo Boefi, Eze-Ana, Ugochi to Bernarifite, Mommy Poma Kajuto. Abonye Saint Georgia, Ugochi to Border Temple. And Yana Bar family, because all more, teacher. Abokazi Money Saint Georgia, Northern Restoration Evangelical Mission. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Nobody no ga one case you. Is your guide you what is Amosu and how to avoid it. So if you pay attention in today's lecture, believe me, you will learn a lot. Before we dive into today's lecture, don't forget that we are still in the month of April, and our monthly ritual for the month is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are. And the HF now, I gave video on the 26th of this month to 30th. I gave a 4 days program. You can use a program anywhere you are all over the world. Nobody keep your presence. Yes, one day I look at your program. They got no, I want for affordable place. Somebody can stay. We also have to do that program. Make sure to God in my temple, to go for cook your in this all over the world. I can make it to roll the last day of the month. Within 4 days, I give a 4 days program. We can include counseling, consultation, prophetic ministrations, declarations, rituals, lighting up the candle, and then other rituals and sadaka that follows. Till the last day of the month, again, we're burning petition. So I want to show you like he gave me a forward where 3 prayer requests, no bone name I do. Then make token donation to the account number. How one day I do so now 4 days program better for you because any game well for free. Yes, you will king with Ozi or we Madagafa, their case may be, and they are offering. But when you go to a line here, then you have people say, so I want to show you an program. He gave me a chat and now WhatsApp forward your 3 prayer requests. Then make your token donation. Then I can see any Nankusi say, so why do you want to Nankusia? Or we have a Saro Monterey ritual sign. Chat am na WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672 0813 8243 871. Now I screen gig up down number the airport. All number get you with them WhatsApp. Now let's continue into today's lecture proper. I told you that today's topic is what you should know, what is Amosu and how to avoid Amosu. Let me tell you what is Amosu. Amosu well Amosu more na Amosu mmadụ. Yes. Amosu more na Amosu mmadụ. You have Amosu. I ga-akọwara gị how the two Amosu work. Gịnị wa Amosu mmụọ? Amosu mmụọ bụ ka anyị bidogo na gịnị wa Amosu? Amosu bụ that negative force that is fighting against your success. That negative force that is accusing you spiritually. That negative force that is standing beside you to lay accusation against you. That is Amosu. Yes, that is Amosu. So those negative force standing to level allegation against you, to block your path, is Amosu. Then what was he? Then what Amosu more? Gịnị wa Amosu mmụọ? Amosu mmụọ nwere ike ịbịa in two ways. It's either what you are attracted by yourself, by negligence, or by your actions. Some people might attract Amosu because of their lifestyle. Naturally, if you are living a negative lifestyle, you will attract Amosu. But I don't want Igbo adage says, and I quote, "No parang kwaho siringwere yari all," meaning he who first adds infected firewood invite lizard to his house. So, ndị Igbo na-atụkwa n'usi o metara buru. So you might brought negativity upon yourself by your lifestyle, by the way you live your life. You are stepping on toes of more. And you can commit yourself by this singular act, by negligence, neglecting what is expected of you. Negligence, or committing what is called sacrilege. What is sacrilege? Sacrilege is destroying what is holy. It is not every altar that unworthy hands can touch. So avoid destroying an altar that you are not the one that erected those altars. Because the person that erected those altars you are seeing, maybe in your family house, was inspired by the spirits for the benefit of the family. Send over one to Igbo, ndị aka na ndị ege na ndị nna nna ha ndị tọrọ nya bụ ntọala na agbụrụ. The person might have been inspired by them to erect that altar for the benefit of that family. But because you are brainwashed, as onye riri one morning or one evening or afternoon, you went there to commit dastardly act, to commit sacrilege. Then what it means is that one, you have committed blunder in the spiritual realm. Because in spirituality, you are not permitted to destroy whatever you cannot create. So it is known and called crossing boundaries. So avoid anything that will make you to go and destroy an altar that you did not erect. Now, if you are, some of you will be arguing that these altars are family altars, I can tell you, what you need to do is to, if you think that this altar is not where you belong, you can do what is known and called Aborum. Exaggerate yourself. But know that you could only benefit in those on the water anyway. If you are drunk, you go there with your forfeit and 4 years ready to come. No, or you are the one that brought the person. So, I'm not sure onye commit to offense. Ọ bụ nwanyị gbara onye nọ n'ilo mere encourage onye mere ihe ọjọọ ka ibe mmadụ. Ọ dị ka na Nigerian law, ị bụrụ onye na-eje eme onye ori encouraged ka onye na-ezute ihe ezuru n'ori na-ewetara gị, ya penalty is severe. So etu a ka ọ dị ihe gbasara mmụọ. Gị nwa na onwe gị bụ onye encouraged an outsider that doesn't have the same link and root with you to come and desecrate holy things in your family. Your ancestral forces will be very angry and mad at you, not to even the stranger. Yes. not to the stranger, because ọ bụrụ na onye batara bịa na-echi eze, onye batara ụzọ ọmarọ na-eju ofu kwụkwụrụ, mana ọgụ wanyere onye a confidence, so n'ọgụ ka a ga-edi rigolo with ọgụ wasịrị onye a yes ya na ihe a mebie na ụnụ emere ọzọ gịnị achọrọzi. That is why even in the police force, who authorized you, as authorization letter, who authorized the movement, who authorized this, who authorized that. So if in let's say government policy, whoever that approve or authorize any movement or any decision in office is the person that will take the responsibility of whatever that happened, if anything right. So that's what I'm telling you. So you that permitted an external person to come and destroy your family altar will be held responsible. So by so doing, so therefore, you had an arogi, then make it Amosu. Their anger will be causing many damages to you. Yes, Kabofu. Then no, because able he metal your lifestyle, can I send a bronya kurkoya Galatian system. God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow, so shall you reap. So if you are sowing negativity in creation, believe in me, it will flow back to you, the originator. Example, if you plant corn, nurse the corn, then the plant. When time for harvesting comes, you will be there to go and harvest your corn. Nobody will drag it with you. So the same thing with your negative thought you are giving out in creation. So time to reap, it will flow back to you, the originator. So be mindful of what you wish. Be mindful of your thought. Be mindful of what you are sowing in creation, because definitely whatever you sow will flow back to you. Then another thing I want to tell you that there is Amosu mother. I'm gonna give us an Amosu mother. Those wickedness follow human being. That hatred follow human being is showing to someone. Maybe you hated someone so much, you plan evil against the person. Now, when you plan evil against the downfall of, against your fellow human, what you are actually doing is Amosu. What you are doing, the person is Amosu. So whenever you planted negative charm or trying to conspiracy against someone's progress, giving negative narrative against somebody, you want to put the person down, you become an Amosu in the person. So how to avoid those Amosu stuff? How to avoid Amosu stuff getting to you is one, know it today, that once you are on earth, you can never please everybody. Some people might hate you because of just sheer hatred, because they have negative mindset. But what you do in order to exaggerate yourself is one, always keep your thought pure. Never harbor evil. Never think negativity against your fellow man, so that the spirits will fight for you whenever anybody thinks evil against you. Keep your thought pure. That is my advice. Because iniquity attracts iniquity. Badness attracts badness. Yes, pure volition, vibrations attract positive vibrations and pure volition. So by sowing negativity in creation, you reap it. So keep your thought pure so that you always reap goodness. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture and you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37672. I repeat 0805 78 37672. Then I screen gig after those numbers. May the blessing of Chukwu Okepere be with you all. May you be favored. May you be blessed. Now Chukwu Okepere. But you can this here again. See you tomorrow. No, I want you to go on with project virtually. But I know you